Okay, so this is homework 10 problem 1. Cause this is a Poisson process, so the probability when x equals to k is e to the lambda times lambda to the k over k squared. So here, the sum of this probability should be 1. So the sum of this one equals to 1. So here, so the sum of this one should be, so we times e to the minus e to the lambda in both sides, so we get the sum of this should be e to the lambda. And here we derivative both sides of this equation, then we get this one. So this, look at the left side of this equation. This is the definition of the expectation of x. So the expected value of x equals to lambda. And similarly, we double derivative this equation, then we can get the expected value of x squared equals to 1 plus lambda times lambda. And this can be proved in the homework before we already did. So the A part, the expected value of x of t equals to lambda times t. Okay, and here is the B part. The R of t1 and t2 equals to the expected value of x1t times x2t. So here, when t1 is equal to t2 or less than t2, then we get this expected value of these two parts. These two parts product can be written in this way: the expected value of x1t times x1t plus x2t and minus x1t. So this can be also written in this way. So here, cos t2 is greater or equal to t1. So here, this expected value according to the A part, this value is lambda times t1, and this value equals to lambda times t2 minus lambda times t1, and this one is lambda times lambda t times 1 plus lambda t. So here we can get this is 1, t1 is equal to t2 or less than t2, and similarly, when t2 equals to or less than t1, the R of t1 and t2 should be this.